to MHB Auto Vlogs. Today we are having with us the Honda Odyssey 2021. Well, this is one of the massive cars available for sale in the UAE. Well, it's an excellent alternative for the mid-size and the full-size SUVs. Those people who are looking for an family car tend to buy a mid-size or a full-size family SUV. This is an excellent alternative of mixture of great power and lots of space available. And one more thing, this is the 5th generation, and Honda Odyssey has been great successful in the international market, not just in the UAE. And now there is a whole lot of transformation and more and safety has been enhanced, so that makes this car a heck of a proposition. So if this is the first time you are visiting our channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe and hit on the bell icon and be a part of our notification squad. And starting from the design perspective, well, the Honda Odyssey looks exceptionally well this time around, and there is a huge grille is available, and the chrome line changing on the LED DRL looks very stunning. And moreover, we are having the fog lamps available, which is quite stunning. Talking about the side profile, well, from the dimensions perspective, this car is pretty huge. You can see this is 5.1 meters of length it's got, and the width is 1.9 meters and the height is 1.7 meters. And the huge wheelbase, well, it's a 3-meter wheelbase and having great space available. You can see, and we are having the remote. We can open the door by the remote itself, and this is a slider door. Looks great, well, and you can see a whole lot of space is available for the second door, and you can close the door also. This is the key, and you can see there is a Honda badging over here, and lock, unlock the door sliders. You can open the both the sides, and you can open the boot space as well. And this is the engine starter, remote starter. I will show you later on. And moreover, we are having 19-inch alloy wheels, which looks very sporty, extremely great. Talking about the rear profile for the Honda Odyssey, look at it. It's a huge Honda badging over here, and this is the LED tail lamp setup, and we are having the black and chrome finish. This line is going through the tail lamps. Looks very exceptional. And this is a touring edition. Well, this is the touring. This is the top end variant of the Honda Odyssey. Honda tends to call it touring. Well, stepping inside the interiors of the Honda Odyssey, look at the fit and finish in the cabin. Well, Honda is known for great interiors. Well, this time around they just nailed it, and the quality of the material is extremely good. All the soft touch materials and the fake wood kind of texture looks amazing. And we have a huge glove box over here, and there are lot of storage compartments in the Honda Odyssey. And the gearbox, well, the lever has been removed, and there is just buttons over here for the gear that helps in increasing lots of space in this car. And this is kind of setup of some transformer kind of setup here for the gearbox and all. And this is a 8-inch infotainment system, which is is of very exceptional quality. We are having lots of great functionality also available in the infotainment system. You can check, and we are having the cabin watch, and we can watch the second row and the third rows in this car through. There is one camera, and it's having zoom functionality also. You can check out the children, what they are doing, everything while driving, and in the traffic you can, whenever you stop, which is quite a handy feature. And there is another one, we are having lots of connectivity like the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the phone mirroring also available. And there is another great feature is the cabin talk. Whenever you can talk with the speakers for the second row and the third row passengers, because this is a very huge car, so the voice cannot be reached to the third row passengers. So this function is a great functionality. And here we are having the panoramic sunroof also. Small tiny sunroof is available, which is again quite a handy feature. And moreover, here you can check, there are a lot of storage compartments available here. You can see here we have a huge compartment here, and lots of cubby holes here, and there is another compartment for storing your stuff and all, and here also. And this is the Blu-ray option is also available, which is quite a handy feature. And there are charging outlets over here, and engine stop and start is functionality also available. And talking about the steering is quite big and huge, you can see here. And we are having the pedal shifter. We will discuss whenever we take the test drive and all. And you can see the steering is pretty huge and lots of functionality. The cruise control, the the lane keep assist also available, the telephony, the voice commands, and lots of great functions. Speedometer of this car, so you are having the lots of good functionalities also available for here. You can control the music, everything from here itself, and there is the fuel gauge and the temperature meter also in this car here. And there are some important buttons available here. This is for the closing and opening for the slider door for the rear passenger seats, and this is the boot opener, and traction control is available, and the parking assist. And here it is the parking brake is available. This is the electronic parking brake, and we are having the auto hold function. The brake will automatically gets on hold whenever you stop in the traffic or somewhere. And here the fit and finish is again I really impressed with the fit and finish here with the all leather finish here. And these are the controls for the windows and the mirrors in this car. And we are having we are having 10 speakers in this car, so which gives very immersive experience. It's very good quality of speakers are available. Sound system is quite amazing. And talking about the safety, we are having the dual passenger airbags for the rear seats also in the front seats, and we are having the side curtain airbags, and moreover the knee airbags also available for both the passenger and the driver. Again, the safety has been great in the Honda cars always. So Honda is known for great safety. And here we have some big sunshades available here with the lights and all. Again, quite great here. And here we can put your sunglasses and all, and you can watch the second row and the third row from here itself. Also there is a mirroring kind of setup is available, and these are the controls for the panoramic, and these are the lights available in the cabin. Here we are having the wireless charging pad is available. It's a huge wireless charging pad. It's quite a great feature here. And one more thing, here we are having the auxiliary port and the USB Type A outlet also available, which is quite a handy feature. The seats in this car, well, the armrest and all pretty good, and making this seats very comfortable, and it's electronically adjustable seats, and there is back support is also available. And moreover, this is a ventilated seat, cooling and heating is available for the both seats. Talking about the AC in the car, well, it's a triple zone climate control AC, which is having a great cooling ability, and for the tropical climate of the UAE, which is quite exceptional. Now in the second row of the Honda Odyssey, you can see there is whole lot of legroom is available, and the seat is set at max, so it's quite a comfortable car to be in. And moreover, there are a whole lot of features like the privacy curtain is available, and there is a entertainment screen is also available that supports the HDMI facilities also available, and there is the headphone and the remote control is also available in this car. Again, it's a quite a good feature. And we are having the second row AC, which is we can control it by we can control directly, no problem, there is no problem. And we are having the slider doors available in this car, which is again a quite a good feature. And you can see here easily you can access the second row. A lot of storages for the second row passenger as well. You can see here we are having this cubby holes available and the bottle holders here and all. There is a whole lot of spaces available, and the comfort has been extremely great in this car. And moreover, you are having the charging outlets. There are two USB charging outlets for the second row passenger, as well as the HDMI connectivity is also available, which is quite phenomenal. And we are having the AC vents also, which is we can control. We are having the climate control for the second row passengers also. Again, quite a significant feature. Now we'll step inside the third rows of the Honda Odyssey. So you can just recline the seats, and here just put this one. Now let's get in. So again, in the mid-size SUVs and the full-size SUV, the third row is always has been formality, but in the third row there is a whole lot of leg room. You can see how comfortable I am here in the third row. So you can see the leg room in the car, and there are some cubby holes available here and here. We have a whole lot of cubby holes available, and these are charging outlets, and we are also having the connectivity for the infotainment screen what we have in between, and moreover the AC also AC vents are also available in the third row also, which is again quite significant, and these are the seat belts available. So the third row has been pretty good in the Honda Odyssey. Now, talking about the boot space, well, there is the very extremely massive boot space is available in the Honda Odyssey. So look at this. This is a 1093 liters of boot space, which is quite massive, and you can fold the second row and the third row down and make a massive amount of room, up to around 4000 liters of boot space in this car, which is quite amazing, must say. And one more thing, we are having the electronic tailgate, and you can set the height also, which is again quite a phenomenal feature, and you can set the height by half or for 3/4. There is no issue, and this is the electronic tailgate, which is quite good. Now let's take this Honda Odyssey for a spin. Well, the Honda Odyssey 2021 is powered by a 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine, which puts out 280 bhp of power and impressive 355 Newton meter of torque at 6000 rpm. Well, the power figures are quite impressive, and the car is pretty huge, so it's very good, very well balanced car, must say. And the sound, the crisp sound you can see in a Honda car, which is quite surprising. And the brand Honda is known for the softer suspensions, gives very plush ride. Especially these cars are very much family centric, so this is an extremely comfortable car to drive. And moreover, this car is it's extremely huge car when compared to it's more bigger than the full size SUV like the Land Cruiser and Nissan Patrol, and the driving has been very easy and it's very fun to drive, and the ventilated seats come into play, gives very comfortable ride. And there are a lot of safety measures also has been enhanced in the Honda Odyssey this time around. Well, now it's equipped with the Honda Sense technology, which includes the driver attention monitoring and blind spot monitoring system, and front collision mitigation is available, and front collision alerts also available in this car. So that makes this car very very safest car in the segment. Now, talking about the fuel economy of this car is it gives around 8 to 10 kilometers depending upon the your driving behavior, the conditions. And moreover, this is in the Honda Odyssey, it's a 10 speed automatic gearbox, and there is one sports mode also available. You can switch to the sports mode and drive it manually by the pedal shifter on the steering. I will show you here. Just here we are having the pedal shifter in this car, so just put the pedal shifters, then you can enjoy the sports kind of feel, and it hardens the accelerator and you can enjoy the more power in this car. And one more, we are having the driving mode, the economical mode. When you switch to the economical mode, the acceleration got softens and results in better fuel economy. So talking about the rivals, well, the closest rival is the Toyota Sienna and Toyota Previa, and the Kia Carnival is far more cheaper than this Honda Odyssey, but this car has having great significance. Like I like about the space availability in this car, and the interior has been very exceptional. Well, what do you expect from a Honda? Honda always provides zero compromises in terms of quality, performance, and the exterior looks. Well, the road presence of this car has been very phenomenal. I really love it. And moreover, the best part, the pricing is very competitive, and it's this is the touring variant, so it's priced at 189,900, and the base variant starting from 149,900, which is decent enough considering the what it offers. Lot of utilities like the space, the great quality of interiors, everything, which is quite phenomenal. Now talking about the top speed of the Honda Odyssey, well, it's go up to 180 kilometers per hour, and one more thing is that its acceleration 0 to 100 it does in just 7 seconds. It's quite great, must say, considering the size of this car. The looks has made very sporty, and the performance also has been very punchy. The engine is pretty good. I really like the engine response. See, you can see the acceleration, very responsive engine, and the sound, really crisp sound. I really love it. Well, my final verdict on the Honda Odyssey, it's a very phenomenal package. It's having great amount of space, and the power has been very exceptional, and moreover the space in this car, the interior, the luxury and the comfort has been well taken care of, and this is one of the safest car if you are buying, and it's a very good alternative for the SUV. Those people who don't like to go for off-roading and all, then this is a car for you. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Hit on the bell icon and be a part of our notification squad.